Welcome to Sethtra Academy, where we teach what most people overlook. That wealth isn't built by those who move fast, but by those who wait with wisdom. Think about it. Everyone chases talent, but how many truly respect time? If you look closely at every great investor, entrepreneur, or even empire, you'll find one thing stronger than intelligence: patience. Because time, when paired with discipline, does what talent alone never can. It compounds. It grows and multiplies in ways you wouldn't believe. We live in a generation that's truly addicted to immediacy. We want results faster, returns higher, and fame sooner. This is precisely why so many people trade too much, switch careers far too quickly, and often quit right before they're about to succeed. See, impatience isn't ambition. It's often insecurity in motion. And here's the beautiful irony. The slower you grow, the stronger and more resilient your foundation becomes. The market doesn't reward those who move first. It rewards those who stay longest. It's about endurance, not just a quick sprint. There's an old, insightful story about a Chinese bamboo tree. For the first 5 years, you diligently water it every single day. But nothing, absolutely nothing, grows above the ground. It's just dirt. Then suddenly, in the 5th year, it shoots up over 80 feet in just 6 weeks. Now, did it really grow in 6 weeks? Of course not. It grew quietly and powerfully for 5 years, building roots deep enough to sustain that incredible, sudden burst of greatness. The exact same truth applies to building wealth. Most people, sadly, quit during that crucial root stage, right before the real, visible growth even begins to appear. Patience isn't just a passive waiting game, it's a neurological strength. When you actively choose to delay gratification, your prefrontal cortex, that rational, strategic part of your brain, takes firm control over your immediate impulses. You are quite literally rewiring your brain for more power, for better decision-making. This is why every impulsive trader often feels emotional chaos, while every truly patient investor experiences an internal calm, a deep sense of peace. Patience isn't merely a virtue. It's a profound competitive advantage, often disguised as something simple. Now, talent might open the door for you, yes. But only patience will keep that door open in the long run. Thousands upon thousands of smart people, incredibly intelligent individuals, lose money because they simply can't stay still long enough to let probability and time work their magic. They keep adjusting, they keep doubting, they keep restarting from scratch, effectively destroying the power of compound growth with their impatience. In the world of finance, impatience is the silent, insidious tax that eats away at your returns. It burns through your consistency much faster than inflation burns through value. The market, ultimately, rewards the stubbornly patient, not the restlessly intelligent. The secret of compounding is actually quite simple, though often misunderstood. Absolutely nothing seems to happen for a very long time, and then, suddenly, everything happens at once, almost as if overnight. That first year, it truly tests your belief in the process. The second year, it tests your discipline, your ability to stick with it. And that third year, it tests your very identity, who you are and what you stand for. But if you persist through that period of quiet, through the silence, the rewards become absolutely exponential. Patience multiplies faster and more reliably than any prediction ever could. It's no wonder Warren Buffett famously said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Patience isn't about doing nothing at all, far from it. It's about profoundly trusting your preparation, your careful planning. It's emotional control, elegantly disguised as effective time management. When you embrace patience, you stop frantically chasing every new signal and instead start creating robust, reliable systems. You stop reacting emotionally to every bit of market noise and begin building a strong, coherent narrative for your future. True patience is active faith. It's that quiet, unwavering confidence that your established process will ultimately speak much louder than any temporary panic. So, how do you actually train your patience? First, start measuring your progress in decades, not just in days or weeks. Big results, the truly life-changing ones, need big horizons. Second, replace urgency with consistency. The right daily habit, practiced over time, always beats chasing the right moment. Third, stay in the game longer than your emotions last. Emotions are fleeting, but true value compounds steadily. Fourth, practice delayed gratification every single day. Start small, save a little, hold on to an investment, take a deep breath before reacting. Finally, celebrate waiting. Every single moment you choose not to rush, not to react impulsively, is a victory over your immediate impulses. The patient don't just watch time pass. They actively work with it, letting it become their ally. Time isn't some fearsome enemy you have to race against. It's your silent, powerful partner. It multiplies discipline and mercilessly exposes delusion. When you rush and fight against it, time resists you. But when you align yourself with its natural rhythm, time assists you in ways you can't imagine. The wealthiest people in the world often don't compete in the frantic short game. They calmly wait for everyone else to exhaust themselves in the rush. That's why patience is not and never will be a weakness. It is power, deeply restrained by wisdom. If you're truly tired of constantly rushing, second-guessing, and repeatedly restarting your efforts, then this is your moment. This is your invitation to master the single most powerful skill that guarantees success across every market and every area of your life: patience. Here at Sethtra Academy, we don't peddle shortcuts or quick fixes. Instead, we teach you time-tested systems. We train your mind to move slower, to see clearer, and to grow deeper so that time doesn't feel like your enemy, but becomes your most valuable ally. Talent fades. Trends change, but patience, true patience, never loses. Join Sethtra Academy, where time becomes your wealth and wisdom becomes your ultimate weapon. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into building lasting success.